If you want to use voice typing on POCO F7, first of all, we're going to check if it's enabled in the keyboard settings. So we're going to open settings, scroll all the way down and open additional settings. After that, go to languages and input and then choose manage keyboards and go to Gboard, as this is the keyboard that we use by default on this phone. After that, we have voice typing, so we want to go over here, make sure that use voice typing option is enabled, and you can also enable faster voice typing if you want to. You can download the faster, more accurate voice typing feature. Once we have at least the use voice typing option enabled, then we can open our keyboard, so we can open any app where we have keyboard. On the right side over here, we have this microphone icon, so we can tap over here, grant the permission. And now you can say anything out loud and it will be converted into a text. If you end your sentence, you should be able to automatically turn off the microphone. There we go. If it doesn't turn off by itself, you can just tap on the microphone again. So for some reason, it didn't actually end by itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.